Apparently, there's a market for everything online, even your feet. Who knew your unpedicured toes could be a gold mine, right? Selling feet pictures involves creating and marketing images of your feet on specialized platforms or broader content subscription sites. You'll need to select a platform like Feet Finder or OnlyFans to take profit on it. Also, don't forget to leverage social media for promotion. Focus on high-quality, well-lit images and maintain privacy with watermarks and pseudonyms. Earnings vary from $500 to over $5,000 per month. Pros include a low barrier to entry and flexibility, and for cons involve a niche market, potential societal stigma, and the need for consistent content. When you hear OnlyFans, most people think one thing, but in reality, a man exists too on that platform, and sometimes we even make more money than her. OnlyFans allows male creators to offer exclusive content like fitness, modeling, or lifestyle. If you're interested, just identify your niche, produce high-quality photos and videos, and promote heavily on social media. Set clear pricing strategies for subscriptions or custom content. Average earnings are around $150 to $180 per month, but top creators can earn thousands. For pros, include direct monetization and creative control. And the cons are high competition, significant self-promotion, and privacy concerns. Also, some note is OnlyFans takes a 20% cut. Ever been told you're really good at something? On Reddit, someone suggested just package that brain of yours and sell it online. Creating online courses involves packaging your expertise into a structured curriculum. To become a success in this job, just identify your niche, develop engaging content, and choose a platform like Teachable or Udemy. Also, promote your course through social media, email, or paid advertising. Earnings vary widely, from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars monthly. For pros, include leveraging your expertise, scalability, and passive income potential. And cons are the significant upfront time investment, marketing challenges, and market competition. Why be a human influencer when an AI can do it for you? And soon our digital clones will be making more money than us. An AI influencer is a digital persona created by AI to mimic human influencers. To do that, just design a unique AI character, use AI tools for content generation, and establish a presence on platforms like Instagram or TikTok, and seek brand partnerships for sponsored content. Earning potential is emerging. Top AI influencers can command thousands to tens of thousands per campaign. For pros, include scalability and precise brand control. And cons are challenges in building authenticity, high initial investment, and ongoing ethical considerations. You know how that dog with the silly face became a multi-billion-dollar asset? Redditors call it Memecoin trading, where fortunes are made or more likely lost based on internet jokes. Trading meme coins involves buying and selling highly volatile cryptocurrencies inspired by internet memes. For expertise on that, you must research to the communities, use platforms like Uniswap for trade, and implement strict risk management if you don't want a broke within an hour. Also, monitor social media for sentiment. Earning potential is highly speculative. Some have made significant profits, but many more lose money. For pros, include high volatility for potential returns and engaging communities. And cons are extreme volatility, lack of utility, and the prevalence of scams. Forget flipping houses. According to Reddit, the real money is in flipping a rusted manifold from a 1998 Honda Civic. One man's junk, another man's perfectly functioning engine component. Flipping car parts means buying used or new auto parts cheaply and reselling for profit. To do that, just looking the source parts from junkyards or online. Also, you must develop expertise in specific car components and accurately assess condition. Sell on platforms like eBay Motors and manage shipping to take the profit. Experienced flippers can gross thousands of dollars per month. For pros, include good profit margins and consistent demand. With cons are the knowledge intensity, storage requirements, and potential for wear and tear on parts. Imagine getting paid just for telling people about something you already love. As one Redditor explained also, you can promote your OnlyFans idol for free money. It's basically being a professional recommender, but with actual money involved. Affiliate marketing involves earning commissions by promoting other companies' products. And how to get involved is choose a niche that you know better. Select a platform like a blog, TikTok, or YouTube, and join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates. Create valuable content that naturally integrates products and drive traffic. Always disclose your affiliate relationships for long-term partnership. Earnings vary from a few hundred to tens of thousands of dollars monthly. And pros include low startup costs, no product creation, and flexibility. For cons are the time needed to build trust, reliance on others, and market competition. If you're looking for a way to get paid for just sitting there, a Redditor pointed out, your body produces money for free literally, except you had tattoo on it. Plasma donation involves separating plasma from blood, which is used for medical therapies. And how to do that is just find a licensed center, undergo a screening process, and complete the donation procedure. The FDA allows donations up to twice a week. Compensation typically ranges from $30 to $70 per donation, potentially earning $200 to $400+ monthly. Pros are relatively easy income and helping others. And cons include the time commitment, potential side effects, and strict eligibility requirements. Who knew furniture could be a star? One Redditor discovered that giant wicker chair from your grandma's attic. It's the next big thing in party rentals. Renting Peacock chairs involves acquiring these distinctive chairs and leasing them for events. You can take from refurbished chairs or just buy it from your neighbor, secure storage and transport, and market them through a website or social media. Establish clear rental rates and contracts to take profits on it. A single chair can rent for $50 to $200 per event, potentially generating hundreds to a couple of $1,000s monthly. For pros include high demand and good profit margins, and cons are initial investment, storage requirements, and chair damage. Remember those cards you used to battle with on the playground? According to Reddit, they're not just nostalgia, they're an investment portfolio. My mom said I was wasting money on cardboard. Now who's laughing? Selling TCGs like Pokemon involves buying, collecting, and reselling cards or sealed products. You can research the market values, source cards from packs or collections, and accurately grade their condition. Sell on platforms like TCG Player or eBay, and ensure secure packaging. Earnings vary from a few hundred to thousands of dollars monthly for dedicated sellers. For pros include being passion-driven and high-value items. And cons are market volatility, authenticity concerns, and the sensitivity of card condition. Got a closet full of clothes or undies you haven't touched in years? A Redditor simply put it, your trash is someone else's treasure, literally, and they'll pay for it, even not being laundried a week. Selling used stuff involves decluttering your home and monetizing items you no longer need. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Depop, or Poshmark are popular choices. Focus on good quality photos and detailed, honest descriptions of the item's condition. Pricing competitively is key, and consider local pickup options for larger items. Research what sells well. Popular categories include clothing, electronics, collectibles, and home goods. Earnings are highly variable, from a few dollars for small items to hundreds or even thousands for high-value goods or a consistent stream of sales. Many make a few $100s a month as a side hustle. For pros include low startup costs and the environmental benefit of rescuing items from landfills. And cons include the time commitment for listing and shipping. Think you need to own a jet to be in private aviation? One Redditor said, forget that. You just need to know the people who own them and the billionaires who want to fly in them. Selling private jet flights typically involves working as a private jet charter broker. You act as an intermediary, connecting clients with aircraft operators. This requires deep industry knowledge of aircraft types, availability, and regulations. You'll need to build a strong network with operators and potential clients, focusing on exceptional customer service and discretion. Brokers handle all logistics, from flight planning to catering. While no specific degree is required, backgrounds in aviation, sales, or luxury services are beneficial. Networking at industry events is crucial. Commissions can be substantial, ranging from 3% to 7% of the total charter cost, potentially translating to tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars per deal. Some brokers report earning over $1 million in commissions annually. Pros include high earning potential, working in a luxury industry, and the ability to work remotely. Cons include the demanding nature of clients, high-stress situations, intense competition, the need for 24/7 availability for clients, and the significant time investment required to build a reputable network.